Hello YouTube, I am officially back. It has been a while. Go grab a snack and get comfy. I'm going to be giving you a life update. You're going to get ready with me, and then I'm also going to be telling you what is new on this channel so you can know what to expect. Some of you might already know me, some of you this will be the first time you've ever seen any long form content from me. In the good old days I said I would never be a beauty content creator, but here I am. Did I say I'm never ever going to do, I end up doing. It's like a weird thing I've got going on. How it happened is I was doing like this like chatty fun story time thing on TikTok. Story times were really blowing up, and I'd just been to this influencer party, and it was honestly one of the craziest experiences of my life. Okay, maybe that's a bit of an overstatement, but you get the gist. So I was like, well, you know what, that's pretty funny. Not everyone gets to go to influencer parties, so they don't know what it's like. It'll be a very funny story to tell. And turns out I was right, because it ended up getting like 4.9 million views, which was insane and overwhelming and amazing and stressful all at the same time. And from there I got a load of comments saying like, oh my god, I love your eyeliner, how'd you do it? Love your eyebrows, how'd you do them? And honestly at the time my eyebrows were so bad, so don't know why anyone was saying that, but thank you. And I ended up filming like a bunch of tutorials, and I was like, you know what, I actually really like this. And that is the story of how I got into being a beauty content creator. Life is crazy, and honestly I don't feel like I have any free will, but honestly I would say it's changed my life, which is wild because like people in the comment section actually changed my life. My skin has never been better because I mean I literally have to look after it all day every day. I've made friends in the industry, which is a really big deal, because finding people that didn't understand why I wanted to do all this like content creating stuff, and they were kind of making digs at me and putting me down, so I was finding it very difficult to like actually do this. Now I have friends that get me so well, and it's like the best feeling. So if you're in that phase, hang on, because those people are out there. You're gonna meet them and you're gonna have the best time. You just gotta be patient. Can't say I didn't cry loads in the process. I feel like so weird and so alone, but it's definitely worth it. Which leads me to, what kind of content should you expect to see on this channel? So before it was kind of a mix of everything in my life. Now it's going to be more geared towards like beauty, hair, makeup, skin. I'm also going to be sharing tips for those of you who want to get into this, who want to be a content creator. Not necessarily a beauty one, but just like a just general content creator. I feel like when I was trying to work my way into this industry, there's a lot of creators out there that are giving out all these myths of like, oh, you need to post at this time and that time and the other. And honestly, it's a pile of shit. I know firsthand from the platforms itself that these things are just absolute made up myths, and it's the creators' way of trying to get you to watch their content every single week and preying on people that don't know what they're doing in this industry. I'm not saying I'm an expert, but I do know what is the truth and what is not the truth, and we can all grow on this journey together and lift each other up with real hard facts. Anyway, I've been going on way too long now. We'll have makeup tutorials, skincare, product reviews, hauls. I've got plenty of unboxing hauls to do, tips on how to be a content creator so that we can grow a nice little community together. I'll still be posting my shorts as well. I know some of you are here from my old long form content and some of you are here from my new shorts content. We're going to be doing a mix of the two. May also be some vlogs in the future, and then general like YouTube content. If you have anything you want to see, do let me know in the comments, because that is always welcome. And yeah, I think that is the content update. General life update, still chronically single, but I realized I was not emotionally available, so now I am. Maybe someone will come along. I've also become a gym girly, which is crazy. Never expected that to happen. Back in the day I was always talking about going running because I was going running like all the time, but I was also always talking myself out of it because I'd be like, oh, it's raining, oh, I'm tired. So yeah, now I'm a gym girly. I go way too often, growing my glutes. Also obsessed with my body now and just look at it all the time. That's really weird and narcissistic. And I've made loads of friends at the gym, which is not what I was expecting. I won't be posting any gym content though, because first of all, I kind of don't know what I'm doing a lot of the time. Don't really want to be filming in there. I'm not like a gymfluencer. Thirdly, it's like my private time to have fun and relax. Another update is I redecorated my bedroom. If you remember my old content, you'll see that this is all very different. Before, it was like the room that I decorated when I was like 21. Obviously I was getting to a point where I was like, a bit too old for this now. To be honest, it's still got like a really girly vibe to it. It's all kind of very cute and feminine, and also my filming setup is way better these days. I've kind of made myself a tiny little studio which you're sat in, so welcome. I'll be making a video actually telling you all about all the different bits that you need to be a content creator, and I'll be linking the products to my Amazon storefront, so make sure you subscribe because I've got all the stuff that you need to get started. Final thing that I've been up to is working with amazing using brands that I could never have dreamed of. That has been the most insane part of all of this, and believe me, I will be sharing tips on how you can do the same. Like, getting PR like this is an absolute dream, and I couldn't have done it without the people that support me. So I'm going to support you back and tell you how you can do it. I feel like we're all caught up now. This is my everyday makeup. I used to be like super full coverage and lashes and like thick black eyeliner, but now I'm more of a natural girly. Make sure you hit subscribe if you haven't already. I'm going to be posting every 2 weeks with a view to be posting once a week. In between that, I will always be posting shorts, so you're not gonna ever be without videos. And if you want even more content, head over to my TikTok. I post on there every single day, and there's gonna be tons of content that you're not gonna see over on here, like makeup tutorials, product reviews, all things like that. So happy to be back. See you next time.